Are you tired of chasing after clients and never closing a deal? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to book clients on HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a powerful CRM and project management tool that makes it easy to track your leads, proposals, and invoices. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know to get started using HoneyBook, from creating your profile to closing your first deal. 1. Create your HoneyBook profile. The first step is to create your HoneyBook profile. This will include your name, business name, website, and contact information. You'll also need to choose a package that's right for you. HoneyBook offers a variety of packages to choose from, so you can find one that fits your budget and needs. 2. Set up your workflows. Once you've created your profile, you'll need to set up your workflows. Workflows are a series of steps that you'll follow to move your leads through the sales process. HoneyBook has a number of pre-built workflows that you can use, or you can create your own. 3. Create your proposals. Now that you have your workflows set up, you can start creating your proposals. Proposals are documents that you send to potential clients to outline your services and fees. HoneyBook makes it easy to create professional proposals with their drag-and-drop templates. 4. Send your proposals. Once you've created your proposal, you can send it to your potential client. You can send proposals via email, mail, or in person. HoneyBook will track your proposals and let you know when your client has viewed or signed it. 5. Close your deal. Once your client has signed your proposal, you can close the deal. This will involve creating an invoice and collecting payment. HoneyBook makes it easy to create and send invoices. You can also set up automatic payment reminders. 6. Use HoneyBook to manage your projects. Once you've closed a deal, you can use HoneyBook to manage your projects. This includes tracking your progress, communicating with your client, and invoicing for your work. 7. Use HoneyBook to track your leads. HoneyBook also makes it easy to track your leads. You can see which leads are hot, which are cold, and which are in between. This information can help you focus your efforts and close more deals. 8. Use HoneyBook to market your business. HoneyBook also has a number of marketing tools that you can use to promote your business. These tools include email marketing, social media marketing, and website templates. 9. Use HoneyBook to collaborate with your team. If you have a team, you can use HoneyBook to collaborate with them. This includes sharing files, assigning tasks, and tracking your progress. 10. Use HoneyBook to get support. HoneyBook has a great support team that is always available to help you with any questions you have. HoneyBook is a powerful tool that can help you book more clients, close more deals, and manage your projects more efficiently. If you're looking for a way to take your business to the next level, I highly recommend using HoneyBook. If you're ready to start using HoneyBook, click on the link below and sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow your business.